Okay, welcome to another episode of MySQL. So today we'll be looking at left join in MySQL. So the left join returns all the rows from the left table and the matching row from the right table. So if there is no match in the right table, the result will contain null values from the columns from the right table. So what left join does is that it returns all the information on the left table, and then on the right table is going to return the similarities between both tables. It's going to return the similarity between both tables. Where there is no similarity on the right table, the information is going to show or contain a null value. So let's look at how we can see the left join, or how to use the left join, or the syntax for the left join. So we are going to join two tables. We are going to join from the store database I have here. We are going to join the customer tables and also the orders table. Select all from customers. So in this case, the customers table is the left table. Then we say join. Okay, because we are doing left join, we're going to write left join orders on customers dot customer ID equal to orders dot customer ID. So guys, this is the simplest syntax for left join. So let's run the syntax, and see. Okay. So our left table here is the customers table. We can see that when we say that the left join brings out all the information on the customer on the left table. So this is all the information on the left table, right? So we can see that in the customer ID we have customer ID number 2 appeared 2 here. Ines. This simply means that customer ID 2 made two orders. Customer ID 2 made two orders. That's order ID 4 and order ID 7. So that's why it's appearing double here. So we can see all the information on the left table, but then the similarity between the both tables is going to show on the right table. So just like I said in our previous episode, depending on what you are looking for, depending on the information you are looking for, so you can always come to your syntax. Can always come to your syntax and modify your syntax or your query to be able to get the information that you want to get. Let's say you want to, look at the birth date and the order date, or the comment, whichever way you want to tweak the syntax to get whatever information you are looking for. You can always come to your syntax. You can always come to your syntax, yes, and modify your query. But beyond that, this is the simplest way you can do left join in MySQL. So guys, see you in the next episode.